Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about most important topics from zoology of class 12 as I mentioned in the last video. So let's start. So the first zoology chapter from class 12 is human reproduction. This is a very lengthy chapter and you have to give much time for this chapter to understand. But here are some important topics which you can study first to get a clear idea and to score good in NEET biology. So here spermatogenesis, the process of spermatogenesis is important. Then oogenesis, that is formation of the egg, and fertilization and implantation process. So these are some important topics that you can first cover from human reproduction. And in my previous video, as I mentioned, that this is a high weighted chapter, so you have to give much more time for this chapter. Second is reproductive health. This is a easy chapter and a short chapter which is already covered for about 5 to 6 pages in the NCERT. So it will take hardly 1 hour to read this chapter from NCERT. The third chapter is evolution. This is an important chapter. This is from genetics unit. So here from evolution, you have to study about evolution theories. There are some theories given that how the organisms evolved, how they formed. This is also given as origin of life in the NCERT. So these theories are some panspermia theory, theory of spontaneous generation, chemical evolution. So these are the theories that you have to study before starting the chapter. Then adaptive radiation, the examples, what does this actually mean? Then Hardy-Weinberg principle, the graph is already given the three types of principles. And at the last, evolution of man, how the Homo sapiens evolved. So there are some stages given, 5 to 6 stages. Then the fourth chapter is human health and diseases. This is a easy chapter. 2 questions are asked about on an average. Here you have to learn about causative agents of diseases. There are some diseases given in the NCERT: bacterial diseases, viral diseases, protozoan diseases, and diseases caused by worms. So what are the causative agents of that disease are asked. Then immunity. There are 2 types of immunity given. First is innate immunity and second is acquired immunity along with their examples. And the last, this cancer. Cancer is an important disease which is given in detail in the NCERT. Now if you are new on this channel, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel by clicking on the bell icon to turn on the notifications for new upcoming videos. Now the fifth chapter from zoology is biotechnology. First chapter, which is biotechnology principles and processes. So both biotechnology chapters are important, very high weighted chapters from class 12. Around 5 to 6 questions are asked. So here from the first chapter, tools of recombinant DNA. There are some tools given such as restriction enzymes, polymerase enzymes, ligases, vectors, the host organism. What does this every tool do? The second important topic is cloning vectors. So in cloning vectors, there are some 4 to 5 features given, like origin of replication, that is ORI. Second, selectable marker. Third, cloning sites. And fourth, vectors for cloning in plants and animals. So out of these cloning vectors, the most important is cloning sites. So from this, one question is asked every year. And also the diagram 9.4 figure, it is important, it can come for labeling. The second biotechnology chapter is biotechnology and its applications. So here BT cotton is important. Then gene therapy, the process of gene therapy. what are the different types in which gene therapy can be done, and then insulin structure, that is the immature and mature structure of insulin. What is the difference in both the structures? So it is also called as pro-insulin and matured insulin. So this is important from the second biotechnology chapter. So this was about the most important points in zoology for class 12th. So don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe my channel for more such new videos. Thank you.